Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a topic about top psychology books. 1. Counseling Psychology by S. Narayan Rao. Covers various counseling techniques and practices with a focus on their application in India. 2. Research Methods in Psychology by J. P. Verma. A guide to research methodologies used in psychological studies, tailored to the Indian academic context. 3. Foundations of Indian Psychology by Cornelissen, Misra, and Verma. Explores psychological concepts and theories rooted in Indian philosophical traditions. 4. Psychology in India, The State of the Art by Girishwar Misra. A comprehensive overview of psychological research and practice in India. 5. Abnormal Psychology by A. K. Singh. Provides insights into psychological disorders and their treatments with a focus on the Indian context. 6. Cultural Psychology of Health in India by Ajit K. Dalal. Focuses on health psychology with an emphasis on cultural factors in India. 7. Advanced Educational Psychology by S. K. Mangal. Covers various aspects of educational psychology with relevance to the Indian education system. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye.